Doesn't take long to go from a slab to this, about a bit over 2 weeks. So it's pretty good. Hi.